Last year never going well. New year I'm still can't tell.
So vlog world, morning, another day, another vlog. We're back again in our place. Francine day about forgot work and good news. High five. We get certain things scheduled out for the boxing match, you see me, with Hero. Hopefully not back out. Today, we post up all of the promotion, the flyer, the video them, the vlog one we just watch, and other things. I still not seen post nothing yet, nor go live, nor nothing. So I feel like him a run. You see me? So far. So, after I come off the phone with Uno, after I come off a vlog with Uno, I go call him again and schedule everything. Make sure everything I go smooth for tomorrow. Right now, when I left the crib, I go over Savage House. We go get the thing them ready for the boxing match. As in, we go build a ring, basically. You see me? The ring them too expensive for charter and all of that. But we go build a ring. So, I go get ready. Oh, good news. I change and gone back to me old time hairstyle. Oh, I can't show Francine, she not wear clothes. I change and gone back to my old hairstyle, you see me? So I try to grow this out. So I'm gonna cut down my beard. I should have cut it down some more. But go and stay tuned. So vlog world, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as you can tell, we just left the liquor store. In this it ago. We just left the liquor store, you see me? We just stack up on liquor. Ricky in our building, but Ricky they in there. We just stack up on liquor for tomorrow, you see me? We get some NC, Casamigo, Red Bull. Ricky I go get the beer them right now. And Chaser, you see me? So, we there work real quick, you see me? So, I'm gonna go and see a tune. The fighter at the fight at the century.
You got 4 Guinness, 4 Heineken.
Yeah.
I'm on Red Bull.
Yeah, 4 Red Bull too.
I go
4, yeah. So I'm gonna go and see a tune for the fighter tomorrow. 4:30. Ricky in the building. Yo! We're so forward, dog. So, cuff, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and look what go on. So we just mix the cement them, man start before me. Man mix the cement them and make the pole them, so them pole yeah. Well actually I got build the ring, you see me, we get some Jamaican colored rope and we got build a ring at the place where we get to do this whole boxing thing. I just talked to Europe on the phone a while ago before me reach over here. You see me? We find I think he might have somebody who might go make fight. Me have to go find somebody for fight for me. So hopefully me can find somebody so quick for fight for me at the event, you know, and win. Cause anybody go lose their fight for me. When they don't put bad luck on my name already. You see me? But we there Billy, the boxing ring, we half done, we are wait till them are dry. And then tomorrow we are go over the place go set up. So we get sound, the liquor today, and everything sort out. So hopefully we get a couple artists pass through. We're gonna see what I want. Hero tell me say him have an artist I call him out. Me don't know which artist. But him tell me say which artist I call me out. And me never know say we should have get artists to walk with out. We probably play a couple songs or dub. Kill him, you know? Me don't know. But me I sort out everything. So we just mix this. And we wait for it dry. And then tomorrow we see what go on. You see me? For your idea, I go run some next errands like look for bartender girls and them thing there. We are gonna pick up some more table and cheers tomorrow, Savage. We are going with Savage and Miami go pick up a cheer them.
Cheers them tomorrow, tables them tomorrow.
Yeah, so we ready tomorrow. World Dawg versus Trabass. You see my move? Him fitter than me, people. Dog, the boss go print shirt. Me go print shirt too. Go print shirt too. I'm ready for the boxing match, dog. Somebody screen record this, you know. Cause me I win a fight, you know. Hero, me not sleep yet, you know. Me know you sleep, you know.
Trabass, me not sleep all now.
Dog, me afraid. Me not gonna lie.
Trabass, for last night me I drink rum.
Me I drink rum right now. Them know. Them see me I drink rum. And one gloves, you have a beer, one glove. I be a one gloves, Mr. Yo. A 2 gloves they have to fight with, you know. Yo, we have to fight with 16. Then we have to be 16 euro. If that are not 16, you can't fight me with that. You go buy your next gloves. Your gloves have to say 16 in there, so hold on. If I'm not 16 that, you can't fight me with that, you know. Look, the gloves says 16 right or so. See that? If that not a 16, you know, you have to go buy your next one.
So 14.
No, sir. 16. At 16, you are going with that. 16.
So I'm carry
You know,
14.
14. That are for kids. Them have a grown man with fight.
No, this
Them
more.
have a kids.
This more.
Hero.
Trabass. Trabass,
Alright,
me
so
no
never
want
get
to
a
cut your
14 then.
bumbo clot, you know, Trabass.
No say 40, me go get a 14. Me go buy a 14. Me go get a 14 here. No say 40.
You
wanna fight me in a kids club? You wanna fight me in a kids club? You wanna fight me in a kids club? Alright, come. I'm ready. I'm ready. You saw my gloves them big and healthy, bro. Ah! Woo! Tell him I'm gonna fuck you up, hero. Pop! Uppercut! Oh, you pussy clad! Oh, you pussy clad! Ready for your dog. No more. Ready for murder your dog. You want to see me said so? Who's? Me never not use all of my strength. That's
So
what
where's that going now? Where's that going now? You're a bad boy. Alright, you're a bad boy.
I come here for fight.
You're a bad boy. 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 Alright.
They are run. Come on, let me thump you in the dog. I'm fix them a master in your face.
God, Prince, as he dog.
Gaza Prince, you see when me thump him? I this a guy. Today at the fight. Come here, I'm look different now probably, but today at the fight. You see me? Me want to twist up back and all of that. But today at the fight. Me I add this to the piece of vlog here and try upload it quick enough so you can watch it today. Probably not drop 10 o'clock. It probably drop in the daytime or in the evening. Shit, my phone are dead. But today at the fight, if you're in a Fort Lauderdale and you want to come through, see the flyer there. You see me? We are trying to have a good time. It's a safe environment. I will just have a vibe, you know? Some fun activities today. Me versus World Dog. Gonna already see in the live. Me and him do a little press. This is like a press run for the fight. So, hope you enjoy the whole entertainment thing. The next vlog now, I'm gonna try to record everything we're going today. With my phone, with my camera. I try to charge up everything right now, you see me? So, I get everything together for streaming and all of that. I know enough of now ask me what I go on for streaming. I work on that. Just give me some time, you see me? I know me I technically do it, but I try link up with people who are go load up the program for me and get everything set so I can go set up everything and still go fight. I try arrange everything. I know me alone still. I have Ricky, Savage, and Slime help me behind the scenes, you see me? Slime go help me with the security part of it, with Theme Link them, and Ricky help me with the bar section and everything, and Savage help me with the place, finding the chairs, them building the ring and all of that. You see me? So you see that already. But thanks for watching the vlog and make sure you like and stay tuned for the next vlog. Or probably click down here so we are gonna have the streaming link. If me get the streaming link start out in time, the streaming link I got there down here so in my bio. So you can look for it between Sunday the streaming link. We just try start it Sunday evening 4:30. So probably 4:30 after you can see the link down there so for watch it. Probably if me get it started out right now. So hope for the best. I made the best man win. We're a dog. I try to murder you to the dog. So stay tuned as we do it for the vlog. I'm mad thing.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate. Me know me I go elevate up.